If something happened tomorrow, would you be financially ready to stand on your own? Ladies, here is the truth we can no longer ignore. 70% of women will be solely responsible for their finances at some point in life, whether it's a divorce, the passing of a partner, or choosing independence. Financial literacy isn't optional, it's survival. Why are so many smart driven women still handling over the financial keys? Let's talk about it and let's change that starting today. Hi, I'm Korianne. I'm a real estate investor for over 20 years and I teach women how to build wealth and create passive incomes through real estate and smart investing. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you will never miss a new video. Today's topic is something I'm deeply passionate about. Why women must take charge of their finances and how you can start taking control today. The wake-up call. Let's start with something sobering truth. 80% of men die married, but 80% of women die single, divorced, or widowed. The average age of widowhood, 59 years old. Women tend to live longer, earn less, and pause careers for caregiving. Translations. Many women will find themselves in charge of their money, alone, often for the first time, and often under stress. I have seen too many times brilliant women, CEO, doctors, entrepreneurs who didn't handle their finances. When life changed, they was blindsided. So we must prepare for life before life forces us to. So why so many women avoid money? We wasn't born avoiding money. We was taught to. Society once told us that money was a man's job. Financial jargon sound intimidating. We are busy juggling work, kids, aging parents, and it feels easier to let someone else handle it. But money is like your health. Ignoring it doesn't make it go away. It makes it worse. And here is the things. Managing money isn't about knowing everything. It's about being involved. You don't need to be a financial guru. You just need to be at the table. The real cost of avoidance. Here, what can happen when you give up control? You miss out on the years of compounding growth. You delay your retirement. You ended up unprepared for emergencies. You rely on someone else and feel trapped when things go wrong. I coached a woman who had worked for 25 years in the six-figure job. She thought she would have to work another decade. When we reviewed her finances, we discovered she could have retired 5 years earlier if she has just checked her numbers. Money gives you options. Avoiding it takes them away. So how to start taking charge is never too late. You can start today. Here is how. Step number 1, know your numbers. Ask yourself, what is your total monthly income? What are your monthly expenses? How much are you saving and investing? You can use apps like mint.com, empower.com, or even a Google Sheet. Knowing your numbers is your foundations. Step number 2, set clear financial goals. Ask yourself, do you want to retire a little bit earlier than normal? Buy a rental property? Start a side hustle, or pay off some debts on the balance right now? Write down SMART goals that need to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Goals give your money direction. Step number 3, learn to invest. Investing isn't risky. Not investing is. Start with the index fund, IRAs, or employee retirement plans matching. Learn about real estate, side hustle, or dividend stocks. Start small, start now, just start. You don't have to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. And step number 4 is build your wealth team. You are not alone. You can get a free financial advisor, find an accounting or a real estate a CPA if you invest in real estate. Join a women's money community or real estate mastermind. Surround yourself with women who are building wealth. Normalize the conversations. Number 5 is what financial power feels like. It's more than numbers. It's a mindset. You sleep better at night. You say yes to the things you want and no to what you don't. You stop living in fear and start living with intention. I had a student, a single mom, who used to save just about $200 per month. After taking control, she bought her first rental property in under a year. She now earns passive income and is teaching her kids what she never learned growing up. That's not just financial success. That is generational transformations. Number 6, teach the next generations. When you take charge, you are not just helping yourself, you are leading by example. Your daughters, your nieces, your goddaughters, they are watching you. They are learning how to talk about money, negotiate, invest, build wealth with intentions. Imagine what the world would look like if every girl knew how to build financial freedom. You are not just building wealth, you are building a legacy. So why must women take charge of finances? Because no one will care about your future more than you. Because knowledge is freedom. Because control gives you choices. So start today, know your numbers, set your goals, start investing, and you need to find your tribe. If you found value in this video, give it a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and share this with a woman you care about. Let's keep this message going. Let's rewrite the money story for women together. Ciao!